Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Y'all know what time it is. Shout out to the gang, shout out to the squad, aka family. It's your boy Ken over here at Ken's Lifestyle Vlogs and Videos. Here with another banger for y'all today, man. What it do, foolie? That man say chillin', get your ass in, nigga.
Little ones can get in. You can get in when Luther Vandross was sitting over there in that seat.
Oh shit, nigga.
I'm talking about the little Luther.
Oh shit, this nigga called me Luther. I be singing to the booty. Still in love with Rob. What we going to go do though, bro? Y'all gotta excuse bro, man. He ain't been on the camera for a while, so he out the loop right now, so excuse him.
You gotta excuse me.
But if y'all wanna follow him on IG, y'all can follow him at
Hollywood T_89.
Hey bro, you know in the last video that I put your IG tag in, I left an L out. Hollywood. So it said Holly. Yeah. Like white girl Holly.
It's alright on the window.
Yeah.
I don't know how you messed that up.
When I was trying to hurry up and edit the video and get it out. Cause remember I had to hurry up and get a video up cause it had been 5 days cause of the Wi-Fi went out from the thunderstorm. But yeah, man, if you haven't, go check out the video where it says Ted was at Caffeine and Octane, man. Yeah, go check that video out. I get back at y'all in. We put 10 cars on the nigga head. We put 10 cars on the nigga head, boy. Get back at y'all in a minute though. 100. Man, but where that M3 at, man? I'm ready to dust that hoe.
M5. I don't like no M3, bro. M5. They call it the beast.
Oh, man.
How you guys doing? Good?
I'm good.
We all right, man.
Just came for a oil change, that's all.
Okay. It's gonna be a little while, but
It's all good. You know I'm good. I park my car and then whenever y'all clear it up, I'm good, man.
Yeah, you know, we loyal to y'all. We rep Grease Monkey. Hey, I need one of them shirts, too. One of the black shirts that y'all got? Not that one.
I got some white ones if you want white one with the logo.
You got it? Yeah, I need that.
I get you both.
Oh, yeah, I appreciate that, man.
Yeah, I need to rep y'all.
I got your side, though.
I need a 3 or 2.
You got an extra large, I'm good.
I got extra large, but
okay.
Oh, come on, Richard, man. I know you got a 2 or 3X backed up, bro. Don't do me like that.
You see these employees small, man.
Yeah, y'all got a lot of small employees.
Most of the things I got is medium, small, medium, large.
Oh, small ass, boy.
You can stretch it, though.
Well, how about some air fresheners? Y'all got it?
Hey, give me a dashboard wipe.
We got some in there. I'll give you some.
All right. We gonna park.
I'm a park, man. I don't like being right here.
Yeah, man, that's how we get down up here, man. Don't take it to heart, man. I know some of y'all in the comment section be like, damn, man, you gotta do the hard time, man. That's how we be joking, bro.
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying? He from where we from, so he know how we are already. So y'all just stop being sensitive out there in TV land. All the funny people out there.
That's what.
All the little people out there in TV land, don't be out there all sensitive. Wipe your face and your nose and stop crying. Subscribe, hit the like button, share it, damn it. Ain't that right, Frank?
Ain't that right, fine.
Get back at y'all. I like those New Balances, brother. Yeah. I just threw on these because they was already out the shoebox. But guess what? It matched my feng shui anyway. What them boys got off in here, man? Let's see. That look like that. That's a Nova right there. Old school Nova. Who that? It must be on the ground. But I'm about to go in here and look at this Nova though. What's up, Sears, man? You all right?
Man, he didn't want to run up my car, bro.
Oh, for real?
He avoided my car like a little.
Oh, what you got? What you got? Ooh. What size this is? Oh, he gave me an extra large. He really think I could fit this. I put it on my wall though. This is goals. Hey, look. He told me, he really gave me an extra large. He was like, this is goals for 2020. Lose some weight. He helping me. That's what's up. Let me see it. Okay, that's what's up.
I'm a Grease Monkey employee.
That's what's up. Grease Monkey employee. Yeah, put mine in there too. Yo, come on, man. What you think I want to walk around with this all day?
Bad, son.
But yeah, man, it's a Nova. Look at them wide tires on that guy. Ooh, I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay. Nice leather in this guy and everything, man. What you mean, bro? You work here?
Where my shirt at?
You work here?
White shirt.
That's a Grease Monkey shirt, brother.
Grease Monkey shirt.
Yeah, we part of the team, bro. We part of the team. We had to get that.
Oh, you see, mine's like black and red, blue and red.
Yeah, we got white and black. We real. We sponsored, bro.
What going on with this?
My dog, Serious Man over here though. Y'all remember him from that video when I said he should have got a V8 with that yellow Mustang.
Okay. Dog right here crossed up with it.
Yeah, let me see the tap, bro. What? He can't. You see, he can't even turn the neck really.
Right there.
Biting right.
Right there, boy. You feel it way up there.
He can't, all that bone right there, huh?
But I done got a haircut the week before. I tell you, but you know how you get a line up and
Yeah.
after that bitch start burning. But he
Oh
just said,
yeah,
oh, that shit
scar. Yeah,
I
boy.
got a line up all over again.
Do good on prices.
Yeah, you supposed to stop where you at. When you get it flat, you supposed to stop where you at. Well, this shit right here gonna happen. You have John jacking your car up.
All this time waiting on you to come up with man. Hey, Matt. Well, look, the beads already broke for me. Sweet.
Damn. What, did it split somewhere?
All on the sidewall here.
Oh yeah, he had a blowout.
Well, my guess is he lost air and then he ran the tire here. See any nails or anything?
Wolverine got hold of this mug right here.
Like impacted something right there.
Dang. On the Charger. 3.5. Does that say high output on the side? Oh, stop it. Hellcats, y'all in trouble.
Why you saying some shit?
Yeah, man. We up here at Grease Monkey getting the oil change on Silver Surfer. As you can see, right there in the background. Got bro right there. Serious man Michael right there. We got John up under the car.
The serious young man on Instagram and YouTube.
Hey, he got locked in the car the other day. Y'all remember this dude on my IG? This is the one that got locked in the car the other day. He didn't know how to get out the car. Ooh, Mustang. Little pony pulling in. Journey pulling in behind
Hey,
it.
Matt, is Mustang here for you nothing?
This bitch look nice up under there. Like that little addition he put on there.
Oh, yeah, that's a GT. Yeah,
Yeah, you don't want no smoke, Mac. Mac don't want no smoke with the Mustang GTs. He pick on everything else but the Mustang GTs.
While they're going forwards, they automatically lose.
John is the biggest bully of them all. John got twin turbos on his car and shit. And around here beating on there.
One turbo, but it's a large one.
He got one head and in the back, so don't believe him when he say he got one turbo. Look, he around here beating on everybody at the shop. Except my shit. When mine come out, boy, I'm leaving him. I'm gonna drop again, disappear for real on his ass. Alright, so we left Grease Monkey. Now we up here at Office Depot, trying to get Brother Facts off some papers, some important papers. Gotta do grown-up stuff from time to time. Gotta do grown-up stuff from time to time. But
1 hour later.
yeah, y'all see where we at, man. Wingstop, man. We had to get something to eat for lunch. Only right. Me and bro in this thing, man. Nigga, I ain't here. He ain't here, you know what I'm saying? I'm here.
Yo, I'm here, you know.
Yeah, now he here. When they call that order for that food,
I'm definitely here. Really here.
We're gonna get back at y'all in a minute, man. It got too much copyright music in the background, though. You know, made it to the UPS store. See, bro. UPS store. Got to fax some documents off. What's going on, man?
Not much.
You alright?
You just faxing? You need a cover sheet?
This is my first time ever faxing, pretty much.
You do need a cover sheet?
I don't know. This is my first time ever faxing.
You don't have to have one. It's just if you need to put any extra information.
I need a cover sheet. Yeah, she said I need one.
What's up, bro? Back there hiding behind the wall.
Just fill this out and let me
What's
know
up
when you're
with
ready. Is this your name,
You alright?
fax number, any information you need?
You kind of look like Spider-Man.
yeah.
Okay, cool.
You the dude that plays Spider-Man? What's your IG?
Appreciate it.
Your Instagram. What'd you say?
All these ones, I don't think I went to the strip.
I actually don't even know it.
Oh, man. Pull the phone out.
Oh man. Give me a second. Gosh. My Instagram is Michael_A_Smith. That's me.
Go follow him. Get him to 1,000.
Appreciate it. You take it easy.
Yeah, all right. Hey, bro, let me get some of that money, dog.
I'm broke. Can you grab that for me, sir? Thank you, sir. Need my important documentaries.
Man, you need to get these documentaries. I'm filming.
Thank you, sir. Oh, yeah.
I'm not supposed to be carrying that.
Yeah, about to hit the
Bro, come on, man.
What?
Some of that postcard. They grabbing the damn statue ass on the postcard. Yeah, so I guess we got everything done today, right?
Pretty much you got everything done. I don't know what other stuff I might want to do.
It's safe to say we can end this vlog right here and start another one?
Yeah, we can end this one.
All right, so y'all know how we end every vlog. I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to bring a friend over to Ken's Lifestyle to get the vlogs and videos to get a what?
Personal filming today.
Bang got a life.
Follow me, bitch. Let's go.
Oh, I've never. See y'all in the next one. 100.
Nobody don't wanna die alone. I be strapped whenever